Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I am going to show you how to speed up Windows 11 PC. Just only one click. Now open start and type here defragment. After this, now click on run as administrator. Okay. Now you see here optimize drive defragment. Okay. Now you see here this C drive is required optimize. Okay. Now click on optimize. Not trimming drive, please wait. Drive is optimized. Now click on other device. Now click on optimize. All drive are okay. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.